So we're waiting for the customer representative. I got perfume. So meron akong perfume para sa coworker. Britney Spears. I'm by myself today. They went to the doctor. And my children is at school. So I'm gonna do is let me put my hair just like that. Peace. I'm wearing pajamas and socks in because it's cold in here. So how is everybody doing? I hope everybody is good. And I'm still andito pa ako. Ano ba? I'm still holding on for monetization. That's why I'm still doing the vlog or something like that. I wanna be monetized, but I don't know why. No, I don't know how. Just continue posting video, I guess. That's what it is. And I got my shirt. Rugged shirt. So, gusto ko ma-monetize pero I don't know how. Siguro, continue lang mag-post ng video para ma-monetize. Ayun lang mga besh. Mga besh. Hello everyone. Ako rataon usa dere gahulat nga mo gawa sa mga bata sa school. Asa pa man natong istoryahan ani maulaw man ko sa camera. Daghang possibilities siya mo ni siya money life dere nasa US. Siya musta mo dang mga besh, kamusta mga besh? Kamusta mga besh? Ngaon tag some chips. Let's go eat some chips. I'm waiting for 2 o'clock. Gahulat ko og 2 o'clock sa hapon. Manggawas ako mga kiking. Siya mga ni paborito sa mga bata, sun chips. Mga sun chips paborito sa mga bata. Ngaon ta. Ga t-shirt ra ko ron, ga t-shirt. Mag-live ako ha. Ga t-shirt. Mo show ko sa akong t-shirt ha. I'm showing you all I'm showing you all my t-shirt. My t-shirt, this one, t-shirt, that one. I'm gaining weight, pero okay ra. Siya okay ra. Siya, that's my t-shirt. T-shirt wala diri. It's weird to have a, how you say that, like the eyeglasses on. Da, 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 da.